Credit card debt settlement, help with debt. Credit card debt often results from consumers spending more than they can afford in their monthly payments. Credit card companies charge high interest rates, fees and penalties on items they charge a customer. Credit card debt usually starts to build up when consumers do not repay the company for the extra money they have spent. Most people have a monthly budget and use credit cards only when they need to purchase something that they cannot afford. When a person purchases a lot of items that are out of their budget, there is always the chance they could run out of money before their budgeted payment arrives. Debt builds up when consumers use credit to purchase things they cannot afford. The money they pay for items on the credit they can get rid of once they return the items. However, when they continue to use credit, they can use it again, adding to the debt. Debt builds up in your account. You must spend more money every month until you get back to your original budgeted amount. This will happen if you pay your credit card debts. A company may charge you a certain amount of interest each month to make the debt appear to be smaller. If you cannot repay the debt in full, you can work with the creditor to reduce the interest rate you are currently paying. Many consumers can cut back their interest payments by up to 50% to get back on track. Once you begin making payments on time, creditors may allow you to start the process all over again. When you are dealing with a creditor to reduce the amount you owe, it is essential to provide them with the exact amount of the balance you owe. If you are overpaying, the creditor will want to know how much you owe. It is possible to negotiate with them on the amount that you pay. In order to reduce your interest rate, you may decide to settle your account. When you reach a settlement agreement with the creditor, they agree to reduce the debt owed. So you can get back on track and start repaying what you owe. If you cannot reduce the debt, you may consider bankruptcy. Bankruptcy should only be considered if your credit has been damaged by using your credit card excessively and you have tried other methods to pay off your debt. Bankruptcy may not solve your debt problems. You may think bankruptcy is the only answer to your problems when you are in financial hardship. If you file for bankruptcy, creditors will be unable to collect payments from you. This can lead to an increase in your debt amount and an increased tax bill. Debt settlement allows you to pay less than you owe each month. By negotiating with your creditor on how much you will owe, you will be able to pay a lower amount than what you are required to pay. If your credit has been damaged, this may be the only solution for you. When you pay less, you can begin to repair your credit. Debt settlement can help you get on track financially. To start working on paying off your debt, you should contact a settlement company who will negotiate with the creditor on your behalf. They can negotiate with the card companies to reduce the amount of money you owe on accounts that are older, high balances and credit cards that have too much outstanding debt. Most settlement companies offer a no-cost, no-risk option to help you get on track and start repaying what you owe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about how to live debt-free.